Wow. Snow trail. Do you want to look at it or just go for it or what?
Just go for it. Famous last words.
You said it. Snow trail. This is Snow Trail. It's a level 4 trail at SMORR. I think level 4 is an appropriate categorization for this trail. It starts with a gradual descent with some small ledges, so it does take a little bit of time to get through this section, after which you hit a little valley. Then there is a moderate hill with some ledges, which we spent some time trying to get up. And after this, the trail continues up a fairly mild and easy ascent to the end of the trail. The trail is fairly short. I think it was less than a half mile in total length, but nonetheless, it was pretty fun. Slipping and sliding. Nasty old road. As for the main obstacle coming up after this valley, on this day the tracks were fairly dry overall. However, this part of the trail was shaded, so it was still a bit wet. This is one reason why when we got over the main obstacle, we decided to go to the right, which was a bit drier, than go to the left. Looking at the main obstacle, I knew that I wouldn't hit the undercarriage. Given that it was pretty slick, my strategy was to throw in both lockers and instead of trying to crawl up, just give some gas and keep my speed up. You can see the difference in strategy that the LJ took on its 37s versus my 35s, which was to basically try to take the more traditional, graceful approach of crawling up the obstacle, and you can see the outcome of that. But you know what they say, if you first don't succeed, try, and then try again.
So we take a look-see at this.
Definitely.
All right. Wish me luck.
Come on, man, you got 37s. Keep going. And you're fully locked? No. Well, I had front and rear lockers both on. Go, go, go! Oh! You let up. You let up. I think you would have had it if you just kept your... I really pushed down. When I got to that point, I was just... Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going! Nicely done.
Okay.